channel, Excellantz'The, where we strive for excellence. We strive to be one better than what we were yesterday. Why? Because we try to live in nature and live natural, like the animals live. See, the animals follow the will of God. What if you had to come out in the morning and eat your food off the ground? In the heart of nature, getting ready to just enjoy life. I would love to go horseback riding, though. Enjoy a good day in the heart of Texas. See, imagine just chilling and having your horses in your backyard where you can just ride. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed day. Like, share, and subscribe.